Practice profitability is key to a sustainable business. Today, we'll share 9 ways ezyVet can be used to support your bottom line. Let's get started. The future is in the cloud. Here are a few items on how being cloud-based saves you money. No ongoing maintenance and security costs to server hardware. Save on printing costs by running a paperless business. Lower staff turnover with technology that can help provide a better work-life balance. Never miss a charge with ezyVet's automated billing. Missed charges across the veterinary industry are estimated at up to 20% of actual revenue. Claim back profit margins with billing triggers that automatically capture charges through a clinical workflow from appointment booking to consult. Bundles help busy veterinarians make sure all products used during the consult are accounted for. It's pretty easy for busy doctors to forget to charge for medical equipment and drugs used in a procedure. A preset bundle can be used like a checklist for the doctor to adjust. This way, nothing gets left out. Product pricing supports businesses to configure the best cash flow by doing the calculations for you. Everything you need to manage product pricing, from cost price fluctuations to markups to inflation adjustments, can be done within the system. If you're integrated with a product supplier, automatic pricing updates will mean no late nights updating figures. Discounting of services by staff can come with the best intentions, but can negatively impact cash flow. ezyVet's settings enables governance and peace of mind for the owner by removing ad hoc discounts. Businesses can create a veterinarian discretionary discount budget for staff and track it through the invoice. This not only empowers your team, but makes for better visibility in reporting. Automated reminders reduce no-show rates, as it's easy to forget an appointment. Clients appreciate being sent an email or SMS reminder about their pet's upcoming vaccine, treatment, and what to expect before coming in. If they cancel or reschedule, you now know in advance the availability of a free slot to take another booking. Practices can take communications one step further by using their client database to send newsletters, offers, or seasonal deals in bulk to drive revenue. It's best practice for businesses to carry out regular checks and balances on unpaid invoices and credit notes. ezyVet's End-of-Day Wizard is a special feature that guides you through the items to tidy up before your end-of-day reconciliation. Performance reports can be pulled directly from Performance Summary for a closer analysis. 4 KPIs to keep your eye on: revenue per full-time employee, active number of clients per full-time employee, average spend per client, and average length of appointment. And there you have it, 9 ezyVet features that help your business understand, manage, and maximize profitability.